Welcome to your guide to the Fuller Mesh Operator Chair. Inside your packaging you will find a seat and chassis unit, a backrest, a 5-point base, a gas lift stem and cover, and a set of 5 casters. Assembly. Push the casters onto the wheelbase. Place the cover over the gas stem and push the gas lift into the wheelbase. Make sure it's secure. Place the seat unit on a stable stand. The packaging is ideal, and place the backrest in position. Secure with the bolts provided and then tighten securely when all the bolts are positioned. Push the flip back arms down, lift the seat and back and place it onto the gas lift. Make sure the seat and gas lift are securely positioned. Functions. A lever on the right can be pulled up to engage the gas lift, enabling you to easily adjust the height. The flip back arms can be pushed back for working more closely at a desk. A central wheel adjusts the tension on the tilt. Tighten it to make it harder to tilt back. Release it to make it easier to tilt.